Welcome to the discussion on two of the most popular types of racing in the world, big tire and small tire racing. This debate has captured the attention of fans and racers alike, each side having its own supporters and unique characteristics. But what truly sets them apart? Let's break it down. Big tire racing is a type of drag racing where vehicles are fitted with large, wide tires designed for better grip on the track. This style of racing is all about raw power, where cars typically sport high-performance engines capable of generating enormous horsepower. The larger tires provide greater contact with the ground, which helps in transferring that power more effectively. One of the most appealing aspects of big tire racing is the sheer spectacle it offers. These machines are built to handle extreme forces, with massive engines roaring and the tires spinning to deliver power to the pavement. The increased tire size also means better control at high speeds, making it ideal for those who want to push the limits of their car's performance. The focus here is on handling extreme horsepower and maximizing acceleration, making it thrilling for both drivers and spectators. On the other hand, we have small tire racing, which is all about finesse and precision. As the name suggests, small tire cars have narrower tires, often resulting in a different set of challenges compared to their big tire counterparts. These cars are lighter and more agile, and they tend to rely more on driver skill than just raw engine power. While small tire racing might not deliver the same level of brute force seen in big tire races, it's equally exciting, if not more so, due to the need for precise control. Because of the smaller contact patch, maintaining traction is a much more delicate balance. Drivers need to work hard to avoid tire spin, especially on launches, where even a fraction of a second can make a significant difference. Small tire racing emphasizes car setup, tire choice, and the ability to make split-second decisions under pressure. One of the most unique aspects of small tire racing is the tight competition. Because these cars are lighter and more manageable, the focus is often on strategy, timing, and keeping the car in perfect alignment for that perfect launch. The smaller tires may not provide as much grip as the bigger ones, but they certainly make for exciting, high-intensity races that keep fans on the edge of their seats. So, the question remains, big tire or small tire? Well, the truth is, it depends on what you enjoy. Big tire racing is for those who love power, speed, and the sound of a roaring engine that fills the air. It's a competition of who can harness the most horsepower and maintain control at high speeds. On the other hand, small tire racing offers a thrilling mix of precision and agility, where skill and strategy play just as important a role as the car itself. In the end, both forms of racing bring their own excitement to the table. Whether you're into the intense power of big tire racing or the precision-driven tactics of small tire racing, there's no wrong choice. What matters most is the passion and dedication of the racers and the excitement they bring to the track. At the heart of both big tire and small tire racing is a love for the sport, the thrill of competition, and the desire to see who can come out on top. Whether you prefer the raw force of big tire racing or the skillful finesse of small tire racing, there's no doubt that these two styles of racing will continue to captivate and inspire fans and drivers alike for years to come. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of big tire versus small tire racing. Until next time, keep the engines running.